Well, I got the maid here cleaning up my kitchen.
Fuck you, the maid. You know I'm not cleaning nothing for you now.
No?
I'm not making that cheesecake for you neither.
Okay.
You're wrong again, my dear.
Ow! Don't squeeze that. I got, we picked up some, rats, quite literally. Proxy made friends with one already.
Those are for Lily.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? You can't get out of there. You gotta stay in there tonight. That one there's a little quiet. He's kind of tired. Hopefully they don't escape. They probably will. Editing up some videos here. Both computers. Hey, what are you doing with those?
I'm gonna go and give them to
our
little friends.
I was gonna do it with the light headlamp. I was gonna make a review video.
Okay.
You can come with me if you want.
Go and get it done then.
Yeah, might blind them, mind you.
Not my fault.
Okay, so ThruNite sent me this headlamp. I'm about to go outside, feed the chickens. I mean, goats, some pumpkin, and not this goat. So, this guy here is a Thrunite TH30 super camping cycling, cool white flashlight. Battery came pretty much dead. Just gave it a charge. Sniffy there. Just kind of interested. Editing some videos. I'm about 2 months behind, so yeah, that's what I use for editing software. Laptop is a W520. And that one over there is a T410. Editing up some more. So, not using that old computer, but, or that computer, not right now. So this light here, my first impressions is, it burns. Yeah, it's that bright. You guys can see the size of the LED in there. Yes, I got my light on, so that kind of will make it look a bit better there. That is huge. Never undid the head strap yet, but it is pretty sweet. Some information off it here. When the battery starts dying, it glows red. When it's good, well, that's actually, I got the cap unscrewed here. So this is the Thrunite TH30 USB charge underneath this rubber cap here. USB charge underneath the rubber cap. That is pretty sweet. Comes with a spare rubber in case it breaks. Also comes with a pocket clip, which is awesome. And it comes with a pocket clip that's pretty sweet. Comes with the USB recharge, a spare cover for the USB port, a couple spare O-rings. Oh, so you're going to come out with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should try your new S9. See if it works better than this old iPhone 7. Yeah, I got the Note 7, or Note 7. Oh, no. I do not want a Note 7 again. Mine's one of the ones that burnt. I actually never put that on YouTube, but yeah, it'd be interesting. But I'm going to take this outside, give it a little bit of a beam shot. It's just going to be kind of a quick video. That's low. Crux, is that bright? Is that bright? Hey, look, makes you look like you're white, not yellow. Brightens it up in here, that's for sure. Holy. I'm not going to say that. How do I look? Do I look like a bushman?
No.
Do I look like someone that hasn't shaved in a year?
No.
Do I look like someone that's been working all day and doesn't want to make this video?
No.
No, you're wrong. I love making videos, especially flashlight videos. That's awesome. Okay, let's go give it a try. I kind of think the switch is on the wrong side, but... Ooh, that's burns! The reflection even burns! Okay.
Right.
Yeah, that's warm. That's great. Are you kidding me? It's raining? Oh. Oh, no, it's not. Well, how are we going to do this without turning on the motion light? I see some eyes glowing at me. I'm babysitting them until we find them a new home. I need that lighter for a second. Yeah, if I walk past this point, that ANSI LED motion light's going to turn on. And I don't want to go turn on this switch. It just turned on. It's bright. But this headlamp, it's almost as brighter. Let's see here. That's off? Is that on a little bit?
Yep.
Wow. That's super low. That's awesome for in the vehicle. Pretty good. And that's the highest setting. That is just as bright as that motion light, isn't it? I'll let you carry that because I got the camera in my hand. Go get this. Wow. Wow, is that bright. You guys can't see the justice, but there's a telephone pole. I'm lighting that up perfectly. Wow. Let's see if these guys ate the pumpkin I left them earlier. See if they're going to be pumpkins. No, they didn't eat any of it. They barely touched that. Oh, thought you were going to do what I did and try hand feeding them little bits at a time.
Why the fuck would I do that?
I don't know, but I think they feed in their food dish.
Yeah, that's just water. It rained earlier.
Yeah. Temporary shelter with some pee and poop on top of it. Yeah, you're a cutie. So, yeah. Oh, you're wet. Why are you wet? As long as it wasn't him. Oh no. Oh, did you? I hope that's not from him.
Well, Leroy got your boots. It's only fair that the goats get your hands.
Yeah. Yeah, these guys aren't growing. Well, I guess they did. But those two are...
They're done growing.
They're done growing, yeah.
They're as big as they're going to get.
Yeah. Hey, none of those eating. Last time it was only the bucks that were eating it.
Yeah, they like pumpkins.
Yeah. Yeah. This one here is neutered. Hey, that was my belly button you just took in your mouth there. That one's not neutered. Hey.
No, he's got a big package.
Is he,
Just bit Trixie on the butt.
are you getting a little excited from the light? Do you think it's morning?
Time for fucking.
Yeah. They should wait a little bit longer.
They should.
Yeah. But yeah, this headlamp's actually, it's amazing how bright this is. I'll go through the settings again, even at the old poop chute. My stockpile scrap woods. That there's low. Well, it goes lower than this, but medium. Super high. This is meant to be about 2,200 lumens, I believe. Yeah, that's on max. Yeah, it's meant to be 2,200 lumens. That is freaking crazy. Neighbors probably just getting blinded by the light and wondering, hey, what's up with that? Well, I'm here with you to walk around the yard. Well, you don't have to. Okay, do you want to hold something here?
The gate,
Okay, you gotta lift it in. Yeah, I need the latch on here, as you guys can tell. I normally do it before I go down. And I normally don't have a phone in my hand. Tomatoes, kale, peppers, right?
Yep.
Kale.
Well, they didn't get too much attention from me. I was busy doing other stuff. This growing.
Yeah. Yeah. The old trailer there made quite a few loads. A bunch of tins sitting here, just getting ready to put up here. Well, it's windy out. I think we're going to have to, we'll lose those before I cut them. So if they last the night, I'm thinking on the shed here, if they last the night, I'm going to screw a couple more 2x4s instead of 2x6s to the bottom of those guys. Yes, it is. Hey, they're about 6 inches, 5.5. And the reason why I use those is because I had them. That's why I used them. Tin's going on top anyway, so I just wanted to make it a little bit stronger. And it'll help with the snow weight. Don't worry about that board there not looking like it's crooked there. That was just the temporary boards holding everything together until I got the roof up. The old snowblowers over here now. The quad's kicked outside. Got some yeah, you can step there. I got quite a bit more scrap to deal with. Just brought the trailer back here. Finished up doing a little bit of work with the loader in the city. But yeah, that's pretty good, this light. That is pretty good. Can't go wrong with that. I hear the goats crying. I think they want real food. I think they're calling that a rip-off. Oh yeah, it rained actually a fair bit. I think we can fit them in here to give them a bath. Let's get rid of that piss looking water and go from there. Got a bunch of cable to bury underground to the shed. Got some fiber optic and some Cat 6 direct burial double shield. Should be interesting, should be interesting. Okay, one more peek at the goats. Show you guys without the light. That's without it. That's with it. Yeah. Why are the buck ladies and goats separated? What are they doing to you? Well, I just gave it about a 20-minute test afterwards. I kind of feel, in my case, I know I can rotate it. I wish they made a headlamp that had a switch on both ends. Or at the back, because it's kind of annoying switching the modes and having the light itself where the button is. Just be nice to have one that has a button that does the same thing on both sides. Other than that, it's a very bright light. I do not think I will use it as a headlamp. I'm going to be putting a pocket clip on it that I can clip it on to my invisible pocket that I don't have right now, or clip it right here on my pants and kind of use it that way. I think that would be a lot better. I do get some pressure points from each end here. I find it's a little bit thick because of these mounts here. I'd like to see a little bit more padding there. Now, sometimes they do include a different style of one, but in this case here, yeah, that one looks about the same. Might be a little bit different. I think it's just a... No, that is exactly the same. It'd be kind of neat if they had a little bit of a different style as a spare one, but overall, I'm very happy with this light for the output. I just do not think I'd use it as a headlamp. I think I'd use it as a pocket clip light. I think it would just be a lot more useful. Sorry, rats. Am I waking you guys up? And the video's still processing. What are these? What are these? What are these? And I think those are going to be bright 27-watt LED normal light bulbs that are meant to be the same as a 250-watt light. I know. What's the matter, Proxy? Is that bright? Oh, the camera just dimmed right out. Oh, wait. Hey, rats, is that bright?
Oh, don't be a dickhead.
Oh, I'm a dickhead. Okay. Oh, it glows when it even shuts. It's all, like unscrewed and it glows for a while. That's kind of cool.